Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to remove squeaky noise in your shoes. Please don't forget to watch the full video. Alright, so guys, stay tuned. Wow, it's really nice shoes. But when you walk, it's really embarrassing because of this squeaky noise. But not to worry guys. We have a solution for that. There is Baby Johnson powder. Alright, then let's start. First of all, grab the shoes and the Baby Johnson powder. And then check the squeaky part of your shoes. And get the insole out from the both shoes. Now sprinkle the Johnson Baby powder where the squeaky noise is coming from. Now rub it nicely with the fingers. Nice one, my boy is doing well. Now do the same thing with the next one. Wow, it looks perfect now. Let's go and try it. Wow, the squeaky noise is gone now. It's nice. Perfect. Alright, thank you so much for watching guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and also like, share and comment below. Okay, I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned.